Some of the most eye-catching sights in the sky, they can really flash by in an instant, or they can linger for days. And it's easy to kind of mix them up if you don't know exactly what you're seeing. WFMY News 2 meteorologist Claire Fry explains the difference between two of the sky's most commonly confused visitors.
There's always a lot of cool things happening in the sky, but are you really knowing what you're looking at? Let's talk about two things that look similar: comets and meteors. Comets are essentially dirty ice balls that orbit the sun. As they get closer, the sun heats them up, causing their ice to turn into gas. That gas carries dust along with it, forming a glowing tail that always points away from the sun due to the solar wind. As comets travel, they leave behind trails of tiny particles, often no bigger than a grain of sand. These are called meteoroids. They can linger in space along the comet's orbit for years. When Earth passes through one of these dust trails, those tiny particles slam into our atmosphere at speeds greater than 10 miles per second. That's when we see a meteor, a bright streak of light across the sky. But here's the key detail: the glowing streak isn't actually the particle burning up, it's the air in front of it. The air becomes compressed and superheated, producing a bright glow in a process known as incandescence. If a larger piece survives the journey all the way down through the atmosphere to the ground, it's called a meteorite. When Earth moves through a denser part of the debris trail from a comet, we can see meteor showers, sometimes just a few meteors per hour, and other times hundreds in a short period of time. In rare cases, this can become a meteor storm. So while comets travel through the solar system leaving trails behind, meteors are what we see when Earth runs through that leftover material, lighting up our sky in the process. With your weather IQ, I'm meteorologist Claire Fry.